To manage your chart of accounts in N3, head over to the navigation pane and go to General Ledger, then Chart of Accounts. You'll see N3's default account structure already set up for you, and if you need to dig into sub-accounts, just click the arrow icon beside any account. To add a new account, click New, then fill in the required fields. Your account code and account name are both compulsory, so make sure those are unique and accurate. Choose whether the account is for debit or credit posting, then set the special account type. If it's a regular account, just select None, but if it's for a bank, customer, or supplier, pick the matching type from the list. Hit Save or Save and Close when you're done, and that account is ready to use in your transactions right away. Need to make changes? Select any account, click the three-dot menu, and choose Edit. Update what you need, then save again. To delete an account, go back to that same three-dot menu and select Delete. Just keep in mind, you can only delete accounts that haven't been used in any transaction or linked to a customer or supplier.